Our cabin here in Rancocas Woods was built in 1941, and our windows were 81 years old too. So we knew we needed new windows. Only 2 of them were working. So we started looking around, and we went to Jantek's showroom. We loved it. The people were nice. Everybody was very professional. Price was good. The showroom was well displayed with windows, and so we thought, let's go with Jantek, and we did. And we're glad that we did. We started out with Dave coming out, and we loved Dave. And he was with us throughout the whole thing.
We got other quotes, and everybody was pushing me to sign right then. And Jantek just worked with us the whole time, and there was no pressure. So we just felt good about it.
Now with our new windows, we have the windows open at night, and the breeze is coming through the house. Before Jantek, we only had 2 windows that open, and it wasn't very good. So although the windows make the house quieter from outside noises, but in the morning we have them open and we can hear the birds, so we've enjoyed it very much.
At my age, being 90, of spending a lot of money on an investment like this, it's just so nice to be able to walk around and open the windows, and it just makes us so happy. We're just glad we did it. It was the best thing we've done all year.